I just tried these two on the island. This one survived, but not this one.
Oh, Mr. Snake.
Yo,
May I ask the usual question?
right ahead.
Did we reach the stage yet?
Did we what?
Did
No, we didn't
reach
open the apricot yet.
Oh, fuck me. The suspense is killing me.
I think
No,
Mako,
I thought of you earlier. I said I should open that.
The suspenders are killing him.
Yes.
Oh man. But I will know before I die. Certainly.
You will know probably sooner than you expect.
Okay.
Is it quicker to do the run-throughs, or is it quicker to do the ultras? Yeah, I'm going to stick on some boosts tomorrow and spend a good couple of days. Well, spend whatever time I can in it.
And the ultra base is also free repair.
Oh,
No?
Yeah.
do you have your is your wall barge shopped?
Fine. Yes, I believe it is.
Yes.
How can you do it free repair?
Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah, okay. Okay, I will see it.
Are you showing us one, Mako?
Sorry?
Is someone going to show us an ultra free repair? Go on, Adam, show me.
No, he posted a video about it.
Oh.
Look my screen. Look my screen.
Oh, come on, Kaka, show us.
Just going to do it.
Look at that.
Okay, well, this is already done. Please.
No, I just deployed the unit. I didn't do anything.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that is just purely the outrunners.
Yeah, but you can't get the outrunners on that island. You have to get Salvatore.
No, you can do it with Braden.
Braden takes too much damage off them.
No. Well, put it like this. I did practically the whole of that island, and I still had 2/3 of mine left.
How many Akumas are there, Kaka? 6? 8.
Yeah, I've got 8.
Stop feeding that 8. Stop feeding that fucking brain apple. That dude's supposed to eat regular food.
I use Braden with Devlin.
You feeding your Braden Alpo? Is that what you said?
He needs to stop feeding his Alpo with steroids.
Oh.
Mine is maxed out with Devin, and I couldn't do the island.
Yeah, switch it to feed it Gainsburgers.
Oh, it's Gaines. I gotta feed it. Okay. I'm gonna try that.
Yeah, I see, Kaka. I see.
That is rock.
Kibbles and bits will do it.
Bits and bits.
That tank.
Yes. And then comes the Salvatore time, I guess.
Yeah.
So you feed the Braden Taco Bell and it shits all over the whole island.
For me.
All right. I think I'm going to take a little break from this.
No more. Catch you soon, sir.
I'll be back in a bit.
He's going to open his jar up in peace and quiet.
That's what it is.
It's what? No.
Yes, we know what you're going to do.
Yeah, he needs a moment alone with his jar. It's understandable. He's gonna cuddle up.
Salvatore's taken a hit.
I've been playing this already quite a few hours today, so
It does get sickening, doesn't it?
I'll give your eyes a rest, mate. That's for sure, mate.
Yeah. This event is sickening when you first start it. It is.
7 minutes. All right, that's good.
Agonizing.
Kaka, brother, your Salvatore's gonna die.
Yeah, but I don't know what happened.
So shall I buy something?
But not be happen.
Not the end of the world, sir.
8. I hate spending the XP when it goes down so fast like that.
No shit, huh, bro?
Fuck, all that work and then poof, gone.
I feel your pain.
Yeah, I also just spent 8 million.
Yeah, I just bought the
It was
tokens
so
for
bad.
2, 4,
So
6,
bad.
8.
Yeah, for the tokens, you
Eight.
know.
Aegis tokens are done.
Yeah.
And then
It's devastating.
Yeah, it
war
is.
barge junk. Reduces
I don't-
damage taken by 5,000. Okay.
But that's okay there in the older bases like thorium and things like that. There, the
So that takes
metals
care
and-
of that.
I don't know, man. My war barge is only level 3, and I even not planning to upgrade the fucker.
Mine is a maxed and it's junk.
You know,
Really?
I keep going up levels with my Aegis, and it just keeps dying in the bases like paper mache.
Yeah. Q, unequip it. You know how to unequip it in the workshop, don't you?
Yeah.
Unequip it. Refresh. That's what I'm going to do here now. So is there?
All right.
I'm
Sorry,
going to
unequip
unequip
what?
it there because mine is a piece of shit. So is there?
Yeah, mine's
Un-
awful.
Sorry, unequip what?
Hey,
Aegis.
Aegis.
Everything.
Mad
No, the
Bean
hardest.
on G-Spot.
Oh, the Haggis, sorry.
G-Spot level up, whatever the hell, hit him. He
And
said,
unequip
his
everything.
offense off.
Yo,
Yeah, just take the tech off and then make it.
Aircraft.
Make it,
what happened, dude? Okay.
Unequip.
Mad Meat just got on.